Next month, in January, we begin a brand new series of lectures. As you know, the lecture titles this year have been Meet the Players. And in a few moments, we're going to meet the ultimate player. I think you know him already, but at least I'm going to draw your attention to the ultimate player. Beginning next month, every director's lecture, there will be a pedestal here. I will have on the pedestal, draped, a very significant artifact at the Creation Evidence Museum that you probably don't know about. And the entire lecture will describe the significance of that artifact. And we have incredible artifacts here. We're going to begin with Dr. Larry Mitchum. Some of you met Larry years ago. He came regularly. He lives in Temple, and now he started his own creation ministry, like Harry's doing. I asked Dr. Larry Mitchum to do something very special. He is excellent with building replicas. Our technical replica producer is Doug Harris, and that's what he does for a living. So most of these technical replicas that you see were done by him. And then we have some of those done by Joe Taylor. But a splendid replica specialist is Dr. Larry Mitchum. So I said, Larry, if you will complete the Moabite stone as a gift to the museum, you can keep a replica. What on earth is the Moabite stone? So Larry took it. It's been gone for a year and a half. He's been working on it. The Moabite stone is a stone about that tall. It's also called the Mesha Stela. King Mesha of Moab had to pay tribute to David and his successors. And he got tired of doing that, so he rebelled. And he had his specialist carve a special stone that was discovered over a century ago, a special stone commemorating his breaking away from paying tribute to the house of David. Even though David had already been dead, his successors were charging tribute. So it mentions the house of David. It mentions Israel. It is the first historical mention outside the Bible of Yahweh, the God of Israel. It is an incredibly important stone. The original is in the Louvre in Paris, France. That's how important it is. There's only one other complete replica. Years ago, Dr. Clifford Wilson, world-class archaeologist, he excavated in Israel, excavated with us. He was my mentor. And Dr. Clifford Wilson was able to persuade the people at the London Museum of Archaeology to give him a face copy, just the face of the Moabite stone, also called the Mesha Stela, after King Mesha. And that was the only copy I had ever seen. Well, Dr. Wilson needed some funding. So I raised some money, and we bought from Dr. Clifford Wilson from Australia, and he transported it by hand here. It's that valuable, the face of that. However, the real stone is three-dimensional. It comes back, and it's about 8 inches thick, and it flanges out at the base. So Dr. Larry Mitchum has been spending the last year and a half completing that in resin. It will be complete for the next lecture. He will be here. It'll be on a pedestal. We will unveil it. He will describe the full significance, and that will initiate the first lecture in the series of important and very significant artifacts at the Creation Evidence Museum.